How to set all of the Finder folders and subfolders to the same view and sort order. Well, that's easy. First select a Finder folder, any folder will do, then you go to the View tab. Go to the Show View options in the drop-down menu, then you get a pop-up, check the top 2 checkboxes. In the Sort By tab, you can choose the setting of your liking. You can also adjust the folder size and the info below the folder. Close the pop-up and check if everything is to your liking. Add a new folder. And inside the folder, right-click anywhere to see the information. That's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.